Hello students, let us start with your chapter number 1. The name of the chapter is GST, means Goods and Services Tax. Okay, in the further points, I will tell you the meaning of the goods and the services. First of all, listen carefully. What is the meaning of GST? GST is an indirect tax, that is, the tax paid by the consumers or the organizations when they buy goods or services or both. Means GST is an indirect tax. First of all, you need to remember this. Second thing is GST is a consumption based tax. What is the meaning of consumption based? That it is levied when one buys or transfers goods or services. Okay, it is levied either by the state government or the central government. Okay, whenever there is purchase or sale of goods or the services. Okay, in order to elaborate this point, I want to show you one bill here. Okay, this bill is of suppose any eatable, right? So this bill, the pizza costed rupees 350. Okay, why I want to show it live here to you? Because such things you will have many in the coming questions in this exercise of GST. The cost of the pizza was 350 rupees. Then there was a discount given to the customer. Okay, after the discount, you have to first of all subtract the discount from the cost, that is 350 minus something. After the discount, you have to calculate the SP, means selling price, 333.33. 333.33 rupees was the selling price for the customer. Okay, so then the subtotal was 333.33. The customer was about to pay. But then he came to know that two types of GST have been levied upon this bill. What was that GST? It was CGST at the rate of 2.5%, and this came out to be 8.33 rupees. Another GST of SGST. I will tell you the meaning of all these in the coming time now only. Okay, so SGST at the rate of again 2.5% was levied upon this bill, and the total, now grand total, became 350 rupees. Okay, you may wonder that you had ordered something after the discount only for 333.33 paise, but finally you have to pay 350. And this is not one kind of bill. There can be so many bills already with you or with your parents. Okay, check those everywhere. After the subtotal, after the money written which you have to pay, which you should be paying, there is a GST added on that money. So finally this is the amount of a bill. In the questions you will be asked, after rounding off a little also, the grand total is this. Okay, so such questions you will encounter many in the coming exercises. Now, I have given one example here also, that whenever something is bought or something is purchased, sold off, there then and then only we levy the, or the center or the state governments levy the GST, right? Suppose rupees 1150 was the bill or the meals you ordered in a hotel. Okay, and you were to about 1150 only, but at the counter only, after the meals, you came to know that another taxes of 237 rupees extra you have to pay. So finally, how much now amount of bill you have to pay? 1287. Sorry, 1387. Now, another some points of the GST we will discuss here. GST has replaced all former indirect taxes. GST is not in addition to those taxes. VAT or some other taxes were there already, but everything has been replaced now by GST only. Now there is one nation, one tax policy. GST is applicable throughout, right? Now here I want to tell you what is the meaning of goods or what is the meaning of services, because GST is goods and services tax. Now what is the meaning of goods first? Goods mean every kind of movable thing or property. Like you manufacture chairs in Himachal, you manufacture tables, you manufacture almirahs, TVs, anything which can be moved, or any property also. Okay, then those things can be manufactured at one place and transferred to another place, means can be manufactured by one person and sold to another person. Wherever there is sale and purchase, GST will be levied. Okay, goods do not include the money and the securities. Right, now what is the meaning of services? Services means activities related to the use of money, For example, banking services, insurance sector, okay, health services, okay. Services means activities related to the use of money. For example, banking, insurance, and any kind of services. Now we will have a little insight over the GST tax structure given by the government. Okay, so you should be knowing about all these. There are 1300 goods and 500 services have been fitted under 4 GST slabs. So these are slabs you should be knowing. First of all, some items are there from our daily life which have been kept totally free from the GST. They don't come under the taxation. Okay, so some need daily life needs things are there, but there are 1300 goods and 500 services which have been fitted under the 4 GST slabs. So first GST slab was 5%, is 5%. So the bill I showed just now, this eatable, this came under 5% slab only. That is why CGST for 2.5% and SGST for 2.5% have been charged on this bill. Okay, so some things are there, some routine life things are there which we use in our daily life which come under 5% GST. There are 12% items also on which 12% GST is charged, then 18%, and there are 28%. If you said why 28%, so much of the GST is charged, so much tax is charged from the general public. So under this, very few things are there, like luxury items or like you can say tobacco, beverages, etc. Now there are some special rates also. These things do not come under these slabs, like gold have been kept at 3% GST, and there are some sale and purchase of some semi-precious stones at the rate of 0.25%. That is a separate issue. So we need to see that there are mainly 4 slabs for the GST tax structure. Then this is applicable throughout India except J&K. On this we will have, I have not elaborated this point. You can go through, you can search on this topic. But SGST, this is not approved by the J&K government. Rest everywhere in India it is throughout India it is applicable right now. Now important things comes, that types of GST. Mainly we have got 3 kinds of GST only: CGST, SGST, and IGST. Students, for this topic listen very carefully. Whole of the chapter will be dealing with these 3 kinds only. CGST means the GST which goes to central government, okay, which is charged by the central government, CGST. SGST is for the state government. S means a state. Okay, if it is a UT, for example, then SGST will be known as UGST only. UGST means Union Territory, right? Then there is IGST, that is integrated GST. Integrated GST, SGST, state GST, and CGST means central GST. Now students, we have got some one very important topic, that is types of sales. Okay, first of all we have got intrastate. You remember types of sales are 2 types of sales: intrastate transaction and interstate transaction. Okay, let us now differentiate between them. What is the meaning of intrastate transaction? Intrastate is like we manufacture the goods in Himachal and we sell or we sell off the things in Himachal only. So within the Himachal only, within the same state only, transaction is occurring right now. So intrastate transaction means a supply within the same state. If this is the case in your question, that is the transaction is occurring in the same state only, the things are not moving out of the state, okay, then there are 2 types of GSTs to be calculated. One is CGST, another is SGST. This goes to central government and the half of the portion goes to state government. If it is intrastate, then both center and state have the share on that GST. Okay, so if the rate of GST is 18%, then center will have 9% of GST and the state will also have a claim over the 9% of the tax right now. So remember, 18% of the GST will be divided into 2 parts, 9% and 9% equally. Again coming back to the same thing, why I said I will show it to you again. Because the GST rate was 5% on this item, that is why center gets 2.5%, half of means 5%, and a state gets 2.5% of that tax. Okay na? So that is why CGST separately mentioned, SGST separately mentioned, but remember their share is equal only always. If suppose the thing is at 18%, then 9%, 9%. If it is suppose 8%, then 4%, 4%. Okay na? So it will be equally divided between the center and the state. Another thing is when there is interstate transaction, that is supply from one state to another state. Like things are manufactured in Unna, Himachal, but they are transferred to Delhi. They are shifted to Delhi for the selling purpose. Okay, this comes under the interstate transaction. Things have moved from one state to another. In this case, one tax only is levied by the central government. This is known as IGST. In the previous page, I told you what is the meaning of IGST. It simply means integrated GST. Okay, so IGST is levied by the central government only, and because there is no division of GST, no sections, so if the GST rate is 18%, then rate of IGST simply will remain 18% only. Okay, so student, these were some important things which you should be knowing when we are talking about the GST starting. Okay na? So another thing, because actually we have to solve the questions. We don't have to learn the theory only, but we have to solve the questions only. So I want to tell you one very important thing, and I again would refer to that bill only. There was a discount. There was a discount. Then there was tax. So remember, you also will have such questions only when discount percentage and GST rate both are given. Okay, suppose there is a discount of 10% of an item and GST is charged at 18%. Then we will always calculate discount first, and when both are given, remember discount is always subtracted and tax is always added in the end. Okay, so first of all, from the given MRP, like you will calculate the discount. Okay, from the discount percentage, then discount is subtracted first of all in order to get the selling price, SP. Then on that the subtracted value only GST will be charged. Okay, so that is why discount is always subtracted. We don't pay discount, but we definitely pay the tax. This is the important thing. So students, these were some important things related to GST. Hope the concept is clear. This was only for your concept building. Hope this thing is clear. Okay, now we will have our questions and solved answer in our next video. Thank you very much to you all.